Alam niyo ba ang ibig sabihin?
Ang kulit na.
Let's get it on.
Tol!
Went down.
Go boy, go!
The last but not the least,
Bading!
Go boy!
from the Shalom of Batangas,
Tingin muna, go boy!
Shalom Recto! Music please! Mr. Bean is in the building! You know, come on guys! Clap your hands! Hey! Hey! Come on! From Batangas Village, Shalom Recto! Asa na mga taga-LICU dyan? Asa na mga kaibigan ng Shalom? Woo! Hoy, aga-aga! 2 teams, 1 battle gun! Ayan na si Mr. Bean! Shalom Recto! Come on, Shalom! Winless pa rin yung ulit. Okay na, 4 teams, 1 battle! Oh! Look at that!
Solve na!
Astonishing!
Solve na tayo mamaya!
Amazing! Awesome! And sensational! Mr. Shalom! Come on! Hey! 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 Asa na dyan yung mga taga-Batangas? Ang hina naman! Woo! 4 objects! 2 balls and 2 teams! Fetching! Snatching! And a ball!
Wala nagpatak!
Easy!
One of my idol, Mr. Shalom Baby Recto. You can burn music today, Mr. Shalom.
Go boys, hindi na!
Asa na ang mga taga-Batangas, ba't ang tahimik? Three balls agad. Ayan na, crossover, 6 points passing. 1, 2, 3. Okay, figure it, look at that, crossover. Oh! Hindi ka na. Are you watching this? SMX? Are you watching this, guys? Are you watching this? Mr. Shalom! Recto! Come on! 4 objects, 4 balls! 4 balls indeed! And a double! Ang hirap nun! Stagger, stagger! Oh! Look at that move!
Ay, ipa na, ipa!
Wala! Ipa! Tama naman ang hirap yan!
Yeah!
Multiple! And 4 balls! Yeah!
He's got this in the bag! The fucking bag!
Shalom Baby Recto! Wow!
Go boy! Hindi!
Very electrifying. Pero smooth na smooth pa rin. Shalom Recto. Time! 2 minutes and 50 seconds. We want more, Shalom. We want more. Oh, ganun pa nga Shalom. Mahina, mahina. Hindi na natin kung lalakas. 1 on 1 day. Hey! Oh! You know? Passing it. Over the head pass. Pumping bump. And a goal! Wow, blessing it, tapping it. Whoa! Wow! Sabi nga nila, save the best for last. Mr.